specially programmed receivers are alerted
event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather. The test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems. Now for the official national. This is the National Weather Service Office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on station code 35 from New York City. Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on station WXJ42 from Meriden, Connecticut. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for all counties in the state of Connecticut, and for Nassau and Suffolk counties on Long Island in southeast New York. Once again, this was only Fairfield. Once again, this was only a test. Counties. This has been an alarm test. Here is the latest NOAA weather.
President Trump's top counterterrorism official has resigned over the war with Iran. Joe Kent said
This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. We now return to our regular programming. Here is the forecast for the islands.
at 5:45. Thanks for listening.
89.1, gotta love it.
Shut that one off.
Like 147. Huh.
future. Hey. Well, please, this guy. Experiment.
$98.9. Oh, 100.9. Hey, NWS Caribou.
Down the
1019.